This replacement mobility scooter battery is designed to be compatible with both 3-wheel and 4-wheel mobility scooters, providing a longer driving range of up to 12.4 miles per charge. The high-performance two-piece battery pack is easy to recharge on or off-board with a compatible 3-pin charging cable, making it convenient for daily use. Additionally, this battery pack can also serve as a backup when traveling with your mobility scooter, ensuring you always have power when you need it most. With a weight of 21 pounds and dimensions suitable for powering both types of scooters, this 12-volt 12A lead-acid battery is a reliable and essential accessory for any mobility scooter user. Simply wipe down the exterior of the battery pack with a dry cloth as needed to keep it in top condition. Get your replacement mobility scooter battery today and enjoy worry-free mobility on the go.